Howdy y'all, welcome back to Gunsnbbq. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing video from Rick's Life as I See It. If you have not already subscribed to him, please go over and do so. He's a great dude, a great channel, does a couple live chats every week, one on Wednesday, one on Saturday. I jump in there when I can on the panel, and it's always a good discussion, so go check it out. But anyways, back to the topic at hand. I'm doing an unboxing because I entered his trivia question, and I won. So this is the goodies that I got in the swag pack, as he calls it, this time. So first we got the giant yellow lineman sticker. Awesome sticker. Even with my really shitty eyes, can see it and tell what it is pretty easily. Then we got this one. Looks like a green zombie response squad sticker. The only reason I have an idea what that is because when I was doing Never Enough Ammo Zombie Gun Challenge, I actually found some patches with that same design. I actually thought it was pretty darn cool. This looks like some sort of window decal. Appears to be a scorpion, I think. Inside of a triangle. Thought that one was pretty neat. Then I really like this one. I actually think this one came from Danger Mouse when we sent stuff to Rick for the swag pack care package. But this is a press pass from Gear Websites. Awesome sticker here. Definitely excited about getting that one. This one says, warning, use my tool at your own risk. That is how terrible it is for me to read. I hope you enjoyed hearing that I sounded like, probably like a small child in first grade trying to sound out words. This looks like G-Web's Corona sticker. And again, I'm pretty sure you can get it over at Gear Websites. Got a Gear Websites business card. Oh, sweet. Got me another Wheeled and Well Armed patch, so that's exciting. What else? Anything else here? Yes, we got a couple more things. We got Old West Black Powder PVC revolver patch. That is freaking awesome. I've got several of those. Absolutely love them. Then we have a Yankee Marshal patch. This one, I actually have the deputy level. I believe this is just officer or something like that. Yeah, you guys can figure it out in the video. Maybe I can cheat. Anyways, that's for, actually, if you're a patron of his, that's the only way to get these. So somebody was a patron of Yankee at the $10 level and then decided to get rid of this. So I got it, and that is exciting because now I have both. And when you get both of those, that means you get to go full Yankee and be left of center or something like that. I don't know. Started off good, but ended poorly. What do you know? And then this thing, I actually cheated and looked at it beforehand. I should probably do that with everything. But this might be my most favorite thing that I've gotten in the swag pack. And it's a rubber bracelet that says hashtag pro gun as fuck. Absolutely love that. Gonna be wearing that everywhere. Not sure where that comes from or anything like that, who makes it. I would love to know, though, because if I can get my hand on more of those and start handing them out to people, that'd be freaking awesome. Anyways, this was what I won in the swag pack this time. Again, go over, check out Rick's channel. It's Rick's Life as I See It. Hit the subscribe button. Like I said, he does 2 shows a week. The Shooting with Disabilities chat on Wednesday nights at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. And then he just has the Rick's Life as I See It chat on Saturdays at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. go check them out. Keep your guns firing, your smoker smoking. Please hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you all next time.